small kitchen where today, as for your votage and requestifications, we are doing pecan and encrusted catfish. Now, before we get into this, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you want, like, how you feel. And one more thing, make sure you leave a comment for the Miss Grumpy for her birthday. Give her a little love out there. Make sure you let her know you appreciate her and all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's make some bad choices. Catfish dish of mine, we need a few things. Number one, we need good old-fashioned breadcrumbs. Of course, cornmeal, pecan, parsley, AP flour, of course catfish, eggs, and a little bit of olive oil. So with that, we'll make some bad life choices, make some food. Get your parsley, and you want to go ahead and just take off all the leaves the best you can. What I do is just take my knife and drag them across, and take the top off like that the best you can, and then just dice up all your parsley real quick and easy like that. You don't really need to be too pretty because we're gonna take all this good stuff and throw it in the blender. Go, bam, just like that. Normally you would use a food processor, but I don't have one for it. So we're gonna use a blender. So we're gonna move on to the next thing, which is pecan. Get the whole thing in there. This is about a cup of crushed pecans, followed by another cup, or actually, excuse me, a pound of cornmeal. So you want to go ahead and put the whole pound of cornmeal into just like that. And then last but not least, 3/4 pound of breadcrumbs. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put a lid on this bad boy and blend it up. Down our cornmeal, parsley, and breading mix. So now we got our egg and our flour. What you want to do with your egg, if you want to go ahead and mix that real smooth and easy until you have like a nice little blending like such of this egg white, egg yolk, and then you're good to go. So what you're gonna do now, you get your catfish, and our instant catfish nuggets, and we're gonna do what's called a three dip. So we're gonna go flour, egg, mix, and we're gonna go ahead and pan fry. So let's get the catfish out here and get to work. We're gonna go ahead and add our seasoning to it, which is gonna be garlic, herb, black pepper, and sea salt, like that. We're gonna go with our red hot buffalo ranch. It'll come out just like that, and of course, a little onion powder. Now, for you guys at home, this is what I'm using for mine. If you guys want to use something different, like salt, pepper, whatever you want to do, you're more than welcome to it. I'm using mine because I want a little kick like that. Now we're going to go ahead and put gloves on and mix everything up and be ready to start doing our fish with our batter. So the first thing we're going to do is lay it in our flour like so. We're gonna let it make sure we get all that off. Egg, and then breading, just like that. So you wanna go ahead and make sure we get it fully covered, okay? Get all the excess off and lay it on our plate. We're gonna keep doing that until we get all our fish done. So, flour, egg, breading. Keep on going. We got our fish ready to batter it up. We're going to go ahead and add to our hot skillet and start frying it up. Just like that. We're going to pan fry this and get all of that old school down south southern frying in there. I like to fill the pan to the best of my ability. Now you see we're starting to get a little brown. You want to be careful with these things. So when you have a cast iron skillet like that, you want to be real careful. So if you look at that, we've got a nice golden brown crust. Go ahead and start pulling them out. Just like that. We almost about ready. Encrusted catfish, outlaw style. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. I'll holler.
Hey, I see you watching. Hey, while you're watching, why don't you click there and subscribe? And don't forget to like, share,